Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Sheets with Python. So first we need to go to Google Cloud Console and make an app. So first we go here, Google Cloud Platform, create a new project. We name our project as you want. We switch to our project. Once here we go to the API library and we search for the APIs that we need. So we need Google Sheets API. We press enable. And we need Google Drive API. Press enable. Once done, we go to Google Cloud Platform dashboard, and in the APIs and services we go to credentials. So we'll need to receive the credentials for our application. Once here, press create credentials and we press service account. We name it as we want. Press create. We select a role. Let it be owner, project owner. Press continue. Press done. Here is our service account created. Now we need to get the file of our service account, like the key to our service account. Press add key, create new key, press JSON, press create. It's stored on our computer. Press save, cancel. Now we come back to our menu. Now we wanna copy this name of the service account. Go to Sheets new. This command creates create a new doc. In this doc, we need first to name it properly. We wanna share the access of our doc, like of our sheet, to the service account that we created. That should be editor access. Press send. And now the person edits, so our service account has a right to edit, to modify our Google Sheet. That's it. Now we need to go to our Python code and we wanna make a test Python script that will check whether we have connection with our sheet. So first we import pygsheets because it's the plugin that we're gonna use to connect. After that we specify the service file, like its location. So you can hit here in download. Like I wanna get the address of my downloads folder. Oops. And the name of the file. Now we wanna use this file to authorize. We also specify the sheet name. and we also specify like pass it to our pygsheets, and we also specify the worksheet tab name, which is basically done by title in our case. So if I have multiple like sheets and I don't wanna attach it, like it can be attached by the order, but in this case I wanna attach it by the title. So its title is test, and we can try the the connection by updating value comment. So let's try it. As you can see, we updated the tab. So basically, we can do any command from the guide, from official guide of pygsheets plugin. That's it. We have our application working, no matter which order of tab we use. Thank you guys. Thank you for your attention.